Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making delicious puré plátano or mashed plantain, so come along. We're going to start off this recipe with 2 plantains. Next we're going to chop them up into 4s. Next we're going to put them in a pot and we're going to add sufficient water so that they're completely covered. We're going to boil the plantains for about 20 minutes or until they're tender. In the meantime, we're going to chop up some onion, some cilantro, and some garlic. After the plantains are cooked until tender and we've strained the water from the pot, we're going to add in our veggies. Next, we're going to add in a big spoonful of butter. Then we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of evaporated milk. And last but not least, we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of both salt and pepper. And for our last and final step, we are going to use a masher to mash everything up. You could also use a fork, but remember, we want to make sure that there are no lumps in our puré. And voila, there you have it, our puré de plátano. I serve it with some fried fish, also with chimol, but you could have plantain with almost anything. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Remember to please subscribe, and I will be back with more. Bye-bye.